welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to ride on a highway when there is a lot of wind, and I chose a perfect day. This is one of the windiest days that I have faced this year. There are crosswinds at about 25 to 30 miles per hour right now, and it's critical to mention that word crosswinds. If the wind is coming towards you or coming against you or in the same direction, it's not a problem, but when there is crosswind, it kind of pushes you all around. So if you are riding on the highway, it's important to maintain the lane so that you don't get pushed out of your lane. And also, one thing to note is this can get you tired out very easily. So if you are on a long ride and you encounter a lot of winds and you are scared to ride in such windy conditions, it's safer to just stop for a while. So the important thing to maintain your lane position and your direction in such crosswinds is to use counter steering and body weight to your advantage. Right now, if you can see, my bike suddenly starts bending or tilting towards the left, but I am actually still going straight because the wind is pushing me towards the right. So I can even ride with one hand in such wind. I am just using counter steering. I am just pushing my handlebar like this, and my bike will lean towards the left, so that even though the wind is pushing me to the right, I can still maintain my position. One more thing you can do is, if there is a lot of wind, you can just move your body little towards the left or the right depending on the wind. So say the wind is now pushing me towards the right, just use your body weight like this. So even if I leave my steering handlebar, I am still going straight. So if I come back to my position, see, it started pushing me to the right. So now I am using counter steering and keeping the bike stable so that it goes in the same direction that I intended to. If I just leave it, it's going to go. So you either move your body and use the body weight to your advantage, or use counter steering measures to maintain your lane position. That's what I wanted to talk about in this video. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.